Hello again. In this video we're going to be talking about the Permalinks settings screen. So as usual, I'm starting in my dashboard and I'm going to go ahead and open up the settings menu, scroll on down and click on Permalinks. Now there seems like there's a whole bunch here, but really there's not much for you to do. Basically what we have done is we have set your what are called permalinks to this day and name. Here's what this area is talking about. Basically every time you create a post within your site, it gets its own unique web page. It gets its own unique URL. And what this common settings area here, what this permalink setting is what is that URL going to look like? So basically, in my case here, since I'm in the video training blog, it's going to be libraries.ne.gov/video training, and then the year, the month, the day, and then the name of the post based on the title of the post that you wrote as the author. So in this case, it's going to be something like libraries.ne.gov/video training/2011/02/01/settings permalink. Because if you look at the title of this post, it is settings permalink. If I was to write a post that was all about libraries was the title of the post, this would end with all-about-libraries. As you can see here, there are other options. Instead of using the dates at all and words based on the title of the post, you can use numbers, you can get rid of the day, you can just make them numeric this way, and you can even, if you learn a little bit of the coding for this, you can create your own. But we've really chosen day and name for several reasons, the majority of which is it is a very distinct benefit to you because it will make people who are searching for your content online through Google and Yahoo and Bing and all those other services to be able to find you because there's some additional keywords in the URL of each individual post. And also then the URL can also act as a guide as to when this content was actually written. So even though you can change this, we ask that you don't. You leave it a day and name. If you feel you absolutely have to, please give me a shout and let's talk about it. Additionally, you have this optional area. What you can do here is, if you read the description, is basically saying that the URL that controls the pages for all your posts which are categorized under a certain keyword or which are tagged under a certain keyword, you can kind of control how that URL is also set up. For a little more detail on that, I refer you to the categories training video. However, again, probably not something you need to do. I've never done this on any of the WordPress videos, or excuse me, any of the WordPress blogs I've ever run. So if you feel you need to do this, give me a call. We'll talk about it. But really, on the screen, there is nothing that you need to change. And if you do want to change something, please talk to me first. If you got any questions or comments, please feel free to leave them in the comments area below for the blog post. Thanks for watching.